Hey everyone, in this video we're going to do an update on the moringa tree. Let's roll. Hello everyone, it's Moses from ZAATARGARDENS. There's Lulu acting like the Lion King. Hey, Chihuahua! That's my impression of the song. Hakuna Matata, Lulu. A quick update on the moringa. So the moringa is really producing a lot of bean pods, you can see, or seed pods, excuse me. Keep saying bean pods. Almost 2 feet long. This one right here. Hi Lulu. Grass again? Doing really well. As well as this moringa. Look out, Lulu. You know, it has about, I don't know, 6 or 7 seed pods. I tasted moringa seed pods for the first time when they're little. I'll look for one when I get up there. It tasted like asparagus, like you hear a lot of people say on YouTube or online. It was spicy, really spicy. Now I know why they call it a horseradish tree. The problem, or the potential issue I have right now, is it's setting flowers again, a lot of them, in all branches. We're almost in the middle of September, so there's no way that these flowers, when they open, are going to produce anything meaningful. They won't produce any seed pods. Heck, they might not even open up, but they're stealing, one thing's for sure, they're stealing energy away from the tree, so they all have to go, and every branch has it, as you can see. Everyone. There's little ones in front of me, so those got to go. So all those are going to be pinched off just like this, as you can see right there, and I got to keep going till I get them all. So these drumsticks here are edible, and so are these as well, but you have to cook them. But these taste like a spicy asparagus. It's a really beautiful tree if you guys never tried growing it. I mean, everybody can grow it. It just has to be an annual. This has been here for over 3 years, and finally I'm getting flush of flowers and drumsticks. I've never gotten it before. I almost thought about quitting this year if I didn't get anything, and just, you know, just water it and see what it does. I mean, I'm getting really big bases, you can see on the bottom. I'm in Central California, Zone 9B, and you can see it's starting to engulf the cuts. So sooner or later it's going to cover all this. Nice and healthy. When that starts doing that in any of one of my trees, especially plums, that means this tree is ready to take off. This tree is established when I notice this. If this branch starts covering this cut. I'm really enjoying this tree, as well as this one, but really enjoying this one. Finally, I have my Moringa Oleifera. Thank goodness. You were a tough one. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.